My life is not perfect, but I'm thankful for what I have. I've faced pain, I've stumbled, and there were times I felt like giving up. But through all of it, I've realized something powerful. Life isn't about having everything perfect. It's about finding strength in the struggle. Every setback, every disappointment has shaped me, pushing me forward when I thought I couldn't go any further. It's easy to focus on what's missing, on the dreams that seem out of reach. But then I look around. I have so much to be thankful for: the people who care about me, the lessons I've learned, and even the strength I've found in the darkest moments. They remind me that life's imperfections don't define me. They refine me. I may not have it all, but I have enough to keep fighting, enough to keep growing. So no matter how tough it gets, I'll hold on to that gratitude, because my life, with all its flaws, is still worth fighting for.